This is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel, and this is my 2002 or perhaps 2003, now that I looked at the paperwork again, Mercedes ML320 parts car. I am pulling stuff out of it, and I want to get the sun visors out. I just got the driver's side sun visor out, and I believe these are basically the same process. I was having trouble finding documentation on these, so I read somebody on a forum post said it took about 20 minutes, and I've been able to do it quite a bit faster than that. So one thing you might want to do is pull the A-pillar trim off first. These just kind of pull out towards the center of the windshield and then up. I already have it out, and even then it's kind of hard to demonstrate. Next, there are two Phillips head screws up here, so you remove those, and I'm not going to do that on film here because I don't have enough hands. And then once you have those screws out, you pull the headliner down and you disconnect the connector on the back here. Then go over to the other side and show you how to do that. And that really does seem to be kind of the trick. The electrical connector for the sun visors is not easy to get to. So like I said, you pull this down, try not to bend or buckle the headliner too much. And right here is the connector. And what I had to do was I had to, forgive the focus there, I actually had to slide a small screwdriver in and lift this little tab up. And once I did that, I was able to slide out the connector. Otherwise, absolutely couldn't do it. Absolutely could not disconnect it here with the headliner up. So that's how you get the visor itself down. I haven't quite figured out the visor clip yet. I think this just clips in here. Not quite sure how to get that out yet. I'm sure it's going to make itself obvious to me in a moment or two. This cover here, be careful. This one broke off. It is old brittle plastic. I imagine the other one's going to do the same thing for me. But anyhow, I hope this information helps. This is really more difficult than it needs to be to get to that electrical connector. But if you know these tricks, you should be able to do this in just a few minutes. So if this was helpful, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more content soon.